Good day, everyone. Ali's here from Safi Financial Network. Today is April 10th, 2023. Here is the S&P 500 daily chart. So we had kind of like a doji to the positive day. So it was pretty nice choppy day, and market just sold off due to NFP report on Friday, last Friday, which was market closed, and due to Good Friday holiday, market was closed. So today was the first reaction for the market. And as I said, and as I explained in the weekly analysis, the job number was not that bad. So it was like just a bit above expectation. But all in all, it's going down and down and down. And that's what Federal Reserve is looking for. And compared to the report for the months of February and March, you will see there was a substantial drawdown in the job market. And all in all, market just took it as a first negative, then coming back up to the positive. And today, I believe volume was pretty light. Let me just double check the volume. Volume was 62, yeah, 62 million for SPY, which is S&P 500 ETF. So light volume, nothing has been changed. So this is kind of like a bullish consolidation inside this wide range bar. Again, for the next 2-3 weeks, probably we'll see choppy, sloppy. We have CPI number coming this Wednesday, and also earnings are gonna kick in with the financials and banks. Just starting this week on Friday, Thursday, and then going on to the next week, and also the other weeks as well. So earning season always is volatile, especially people are looking for earning recession is initiate this season. So if earnings still is hot, if job market is coming down, earnings is hot. So there is no reason for the Federal Reserve to increase the rate. So, but lots of financials, lots of speculators, they're just betting on another 25 basis hike for the month of May. So we will see how it goes. We are not forecasting. Again, that can change easily. But sentiment all along is getting to the bull side. And right now, this is bullish consolidation. If we see another spike to here, so that would be the target I should say for the year, anywhere around a 4250 to 4400. So this box, I should say, especially months of May, that could be a top for the market for this year, at least price wise. So time wise, we can just go down and then choppy consolidation, but this is the range that I'm looking for the target for this year. Moving on to Nasdaq. So Nasdaq, we had kind of like a bearish price action, but all in all, it's the same with S&P. So it goes down all the way to here, pretty close. Just double check this area, which is at 12,872, and then retracing back up nicely. So over 200 gain intraday action, pretty positive price action to be honest, if you ask me. But again, so bears cannot take control ultimately to the end of the session. So bulls are coming back, recommitting. This is kind of like a breakout. This is the breakout, and this is a bullish consolidation. I know lots of people are referring to this as sloping down. Here is a sloping down, stochastic bear reversal. But all in all, these indicators can change the direction easily while we have this bullish consolidation. But again, as I explained, even if we see a pullback to this area, so it's not going to be a bearish, I should say, setup. That would be a bullish setup because still we are looking for another hike to the upside. So 14,000 to 14,400, that's going to be my ultimate level for Nasdaq this year. So still looking for this one. There is no guarantee to hit there, but here's the August high. So market just try to digest the move from the August high and also this supply areas. So any choppy consolidation here for the next 2-3 weeks, you shouldn't surprise it at all. So moving on to US 30, which is Dow Jones. Better price action for Dow Jones like S&P. So look at that. So right now, this is very, very strong momentum. RSI just sloping up again. So if you look at the price action, I was looking for this downside to here, but Dow Jones just going up and closed the day positive. So this bullish consolidation, if this is going to be a wave 5, which would be a fantastic. Right now we have a Q and pattern for the Dow Jones. This one is getting ready for another tackle to this area, 34,000, 34.62. That's going to be the area. And as I just mentioned many times, I'm looking for new all-time high for Dow Jones this year. So at least double top or new all-time high can be possible for this year. So we'll see how it goes. The double top is going to be around 37,000. So we will see. We'll see how it goes. All in all, Dow Jones is kind of like the index that getting benefit or beneficiary of the recession and also the inflation, because financials, consumer staples, and also energy, which is kind of like inflationary sector for now, they're just allocated in Dow Jones. So Dow Jones will take benefit out of it. And moving on to some individual names, yield at a positive day. So when yield was up, that would pressure on TLT, which is treasuries, and also gold, which we get in a bit. But all in all, this is just a choppy consolidation. I should say yield has been topped. There is nothing changed in the bigger picture. However, if we see another spike or another just a corrective rally to this 4%, 4.36, which is coming along with dollar. So you shouldn't be surprised. That could be a nice selling opportunity for a downside target here. So as I said, these targets can be met by end of this year. So we'll see how it goes. Treasuries, as I said, moving down. So this reversal is happening just at very, very important technical level here. 108 to 110 is very, very important for treasuries. So right now, treasury is coming down. We can test this area for another like a testing, or we can just consolidate here and then coming back up, which is going to be a very, very bullish signal. Like again, I'm very positive on this. I'm very bullish. There is nothing has been changed in the bigger picture. Gold just coming down, yield was up, Dixie was up, so gold is coming down. So this was a breakout, coming back down, back test. This needs to have a consolidation. So all in all, when I see this, even if we see another just a deeper correction to this 1900 to 1920, we shouldn't be surprised, because that's going to be another buying opportunity, another buying setup to here. So if you just draw here some of the corrective rallies, so this is kind of like a corrective going up, corrective going up, and right now it comes along here. So even if it goes here, coming around with this breakout through backtest here, all technical tools that I'm using is coming along to this area, which is 1859, which is 1860 to 1890, which is a very, very deep correction, and no one is expecting that one. But who knows? Probably market just coming down to give us a buying opportunity. We'll see. US crude actually was negative day, but again, nothing has been changed since last week. So we are in a consolidation phase just below touch this wedge. So if it breaks out, that could be very, very repeat to the upside, 84, 91, 96, 102. Lots of geopolitical tensions or news are getting back to the wires, and everyone is talking about like a China, Taiwan, and also Russia, Ukraine hasn't been figured yet. So crude and energy can be very, very a beneficiary out of this situation, and that would be kind of like an inflationary situation. So we'll see how it goes. VIX, the next one is coming down. Well, it was up today, like overall 57 cents up, but look at the price action. So it's not a VIX at all. So sellers took control. Any spike to 20, sellers just smashed the VIX to the downside. So right now we are just forming a bearish consolidation for lower low to this area. So we'll see how it goes. Dixie, Optic, along with yield. So that put pressure on gold and TLT and treasuries. So Dixie can have another rally to here, but I'm not sure even if it get there here. So we'll see how it goes. This is kind of like a dead cat bounce to here, supported by these two candles here, but we'll see how it goes. If it goes there and then rejected down, so that would be a very, very nice bearish setup for Dixie. Apple. Going on to the technology, Apple here, nice hammer. So it was like a negative $2.63, but look at the candle. It hasn't change the analysis. It goes to this pivotal point, coming back test this pivotal point, moving up fantastically. So we'll see how it goes. If you have follow through tomorrow, probably Apple is heading to tackle to this area 166, 168. So which is this wide range bar here, and that could be a potential another corrective move to here and then to the top here, August top. So we'll see how it goes with Apple. Definitely keep an eye on this. $3 trillion market cap. You should just keep an eye on that one. Amazon, just the update today, nothing changed. Bullish consolidation. Meta, just $1.35 down. But again, it's kind of like a consolidating within this wide range bar. There is no changes with this name as well. Microsoft, the same price action after Thursday hike, just go down and then reversing back up again. So still inside this wide range bar, nothing has been changed. Google, $0.98 loss, but again, the same price action. Almost all FANG stocks are forming the same price action. Microsoft, Meta, this is Google. Going to this supply area, this pivotal point, consolidation. Very, very typical, natural, classical, technical reaction to that area. So Netflix, again, going down like a 34 cents, but look at the candle, doji, nice bullish to the upside. So we'll see if this is just going to be a dead cat bounce. If you take out this pivotal point, it goes to here. So I'm not into this one. Tesla actually was positive. So I know 55 cents down, but if you look at the option movement, it was positive for Tesla. Everyone is betting for another tackle to 206, 207. So next week is going to be option expiry for a month of March, which is kind of important for Tesla. But all in all, 200 level is very, very important. Huge resistance. If we break above this, tackle to this 254, 263, I'm still looking for this area. So we'll see if it goes down, call option for 3 months, 4 months expiration date. That would be great buying opportunity, I should say. The strength was here for today, SMH. So semiconductors were strong. There was nothing wrong with the market. So look at the candle, flip-flop to the upside. So sellers coming back here. Is this head and shoulder? I don't think so. But some people can call it. I don't know. So this is just the choppy consolidation. 257 to 260. Lots of sellers are recommitting back to sell. But again, this is very, very good price action today. Nothing has been changed. Stocks, the same price action. No higher shadow. Buyers just took control all entire session. TSM even was negative due to Taiwan and China geopolitical issues. But look at that. So technical tells you everything. We expect support from this wide range bar and we support it. So does it have a follow through? I don't know. Probably there is a follow through for tomorrow, at least to 91.17, which is kind of like a beneath of this candle. So let me just point it out for you folks here. So this could be 91.34. That could be a follow through. So if you want to play option, you can play option for this area, but make sure that any take, if it goes below this, probably it's going to break this area as well and heading to 78 to 80. So we'll see how it goes. AMD, very, very nice surge to the upside. So look at the candle here. Very, very nice engulfing candle. Goes to this area. So 95.48 was pretty positive. Nvidia, actually that was surprising. This one doesn't want to give up and still going up higher and higher. If it take out this pivotal point, then we should see Nvidia 300. So we'll see how it goes, but I think still it's going to be a top information. This is based on the monthly chart. We are at the month's 10th of the April, so this can take like a 1, 2, even 3 months to roll over. But if it rolls over, that's going to be a great buying opportunity because monthly chart is going to give us a sell-off signal. So Texas Instrument moving up to the upside, $1.30. Lam Research $13. So pretty nice price action for Lam Research. Moving on to the financials. Financials were strong today. So XLF 7 cents, but look at that. So it was negative, but ultimately closed positive. Bullish price action for financials, KBE, which is large cap bank ETF. So this one needs to close above this. So let me just, I drew something similar for KRE, which is much more important than KBE. So this one is regional bank ETF. So if this one break above this, especially 46, then it can go all the way to 49.50. So keep an eye on this because this one hold up pretty well. We'll support it around this $40. So we'll see how it goes. JP Morgan, which is JPM, this is bullish price action. However, this probably forms a bearish consolidation, but this is choppy, sloppy. So this low is very, very important. Let me just point it out for you folks. This low from this price action is very, very important. 123.08 cents. So this one goes to this breakout. Look at that. So here's the pivot. Here is the breakout to the upside. So defended very, very well. This needs to take out this. So here is the low for JP Morgan, and here's the top. So any of this level breakthrough, that could be a rally or drop. So we'll see how it goes. Right now, it is in no man's land. So what should I expect? This is kind of like a middle of the no man's land. Goldman Sachs, the same price action, pretty close to this area. So if you take out this pivotal point, 336. Wells Fargo, 70 cents up. Pretty better price action actually. Needs to take out and took out this one. So Wells Fargo can go right now, I should say, to this area. So this is the first level. So look at that, how nicely coming back down to here. And this is the third one. So 39 to 40 cents, $40, that could be the possibility. Citibank, this one is just a very, very weak one. So I'm not expecting too much price action for this maximum 32. That's going to be the ultimate level for now. GoldMiners actually was not that bad today. It could be worth, but not that bad. Gold price is coming down. GoldMiners actually just a defended well. So I know it was negative day for them, but the price action wise, we are still in this wide range bar, defended very well, took out this pivotal point. Right now, it's just back test and backing and filling. If it holds pretty well there, that could be a bullish price action. GDXJ, the same price action, nothing special. AEM, this one, look at that. So it was negative, but look at the color of the candle. I know it was green, but it lost 34 cents, but nothing has been changed. So inside this wide range bar, just backing and filling consolidation. AEM, which is our favorite one, goes back to this wide range bar, just the backing and filling. Lots of sellers are recommitting back to sell here. So I'm not sure even this one can, let me just put it a better way here. So this is the area that I'm looking for this is very, very long. Sorry. So let me just clean up this area for you folks. So this is the area for the pullback. So if it goes here and hold up pretty well, which is 47 to 49, so this area could be very, very nice buying opportunity. So we'll see how it goes. Franco Nevada just $1.31 loss. Nothing has been changed. Backtest this area. Gold Barrick the same, 27 cents down. So nothing has been changed. Moving on to the energy. So XOP, which is oil and gas exploration ETF, this one just coming down. Well, it was up, but sellers just took control after this. So we will see how it goes. $2.80 to the upside, and nothing has been changed. OIH, $3.71 down, up today. So it was like forming the bearish consolidation. We will see how it goes. XOM, this is Exxon. It's just forming a bullish consolidation, but I'm not sure if it take out this low, that could be easily coming down to 110. So we'll see how it goes. Chevron, 64 cents up. Oxy, $1.05 up. So it was a pretty nice price action, to be honest. And REIT, just 5 cents. It was better, but still in this wide range bar. Nothing has been changed. So we'll see how it goes for the future. So all in all, pretty choppy day. So we should see more choppy, sloppy days for the next 2 weeks. Again, buckle up. If you are not comfortable with trading, just stay on the side. If you are, just put your money into some very safe ones, which we mentioned in this video as well. So make sure we completely watch this video. All right, have a fantastic evening. See you on the chart. Bye bye.